In this video, I will talk about 13 Dividend Aristocrat stocks which have outperformed the S&P 500, the Nasdaq Composite, the Dow Jones Industrial Average, and the Russell 2000 indexes in the last 12 months. Believe it or not, Nasdaq Composite gained 32.08%, and these stocks have outperformed that number. If you are watching my video for the first time, my name is David Das, a retired engineer, and you are watching my YouTube channel, Think and Retire. In this channel, I talk about building wealth and income from the stock market. Please watch this video till the end, as I will tell you how you can download a spreadsheet that I'm going to show you the next. Let's get started. Please keep in mind that this video is for educational purposes only and not a recommendation to buy or sell any stocks. I'm not a financial advisor, so please do your own research before investing. As of market close on May 22nd, 2024, 12 months return of Russell 2000 index was 15.95%. The Dow Jones Industrial Average was 19.18%. The S&P 500 index returned 26.58%, and the Nasdaq Composite 32.08% over the last 12 months. Dividend Aristocrat stocks which have increased their dividends for a minimum of 25 consecutive years also beat these four indexes in the last 12 months. Just incredible. People think that these stocks, the Dividend Aristocrat stocks, are very low yield, but the total performance can be exceptional. Let's talk about these stocks from number 13 to number 1. This is the spreadsheet I created on Google Sheet, which has a list of all the Dividend Aristocrat stocks. I think you will like it. It fetches the data from Google Finance Portal. You can download this sheet for free. Instructions are provided at the end. The number 13 stock is Aflac with the ticker symbol AFL. It is on the financial services sector. It has a return of 32.7% in the last 12 months. The next stock, which is number 12, is Dover Corporation with the ticker symbol DOV. It is in the industrial sector, and the 12-month return is 34.6%. Number 11 is Sherwin-Williams with the ticker symbol SHW. It is in the basic materials sector. It returned 35.3% in the last 12 months. Number 10 is IBM. It has returned 35.5%, and obviously this is in the tech sector. Number 9 is Chubb Limited. It's in the financial services sector with the ticker symbol CB. The return for last 12 months is 36.1%. Number 8 is Ecolab. ECL is the ticker symbol. It is in the basic materials sector, and the return on this for the last 12 months is 39.5%. Number 7 is Emerson Electric with the ticker symbol EMR. It's in the industrial sector, and the return for the last 12 months was 41.4%. Number 6 is General Dynamics, ticker symbol GD. It has a return of 44.0%, and it's in the industrial sector. Number 5 is Brown & Brown with ticker symbol BRO. It is in the financial services sector, and it has a return of 44.2%. Number 4 is Pentair. PNR is the ticker. It's in the industrial sector, and it had returned 45.7% in the last 12 months. Number 3 is WW Grainger with the ticker symbol GWW. It's in the industrial sector, and the return is 46.1% in the last 12 months. Number 2 is Cintas Corporation. CTAS is the ticker symbol. It's also in the industrial sector, and the return is 52.4% in the last 12 months. And number 1 is our favorite Caterpillar. It is in the industrial sector, and the return is 67.3%. As we can see, there are several industrial sector stocks which have outperformed the US major market indexes by an exceptional amount. To summarize, we have identified 13 Dividend Aristocrat stocks which have outperformed the major US stock market indices in the last 12 months. And for the bonus, I have provided a link of my spreadsheet in the description box below for you to access. I hope you found the information in this video helpful. Please like and share, as it helps my channel. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please do so, as you will be notified when I upload new content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.